Hi, I'm Robert Medman, and welcome to Adventures with Atoms and Molecules. This program is a collection of science experiments designed to show you how science can answer questions about our world. All of the experiments that you will see in this program are designed to be repeated by you in the classroom. The materials needed to perform these experiments are readily available and can be obtained in a grocery store. Let me ask this. What is science? Well, science is an adventure. Science is an adventure of asking questions about our world. Science is trying to find answers to our questions. Science is exciting and fun. Science is being curious. Science is a way of thinking and learning. Science is doing experiments. Science is making careful observations as you do your experiments. Science is analyzing your observations, drawing conclusions from your observations. Science is finding answers. But perhaps the most important point about science is this, and that is, science is for everyone. Now, before you actually get started in doing some of the experiments, let's ask a couple of more questions. What is matter? Well, matter is the physical material in our world. And scientists know that matter is made up of atoms. Atoms are the simplest building blocks of matter. There are 92 different atoms in our world. And there's several more that have been made in the laboratory by scientists. Some common examples of atoms are these. Gold. If you have a piece of gold, you're looking at a collection of gold atoms. If you have a sheet of aluminum foil, you're looking at a collection of aluminum atoms. Take something made out of silver. What are you looking at? You're looking at a collection of silver atoms. Some other examples: oxygen atoms, nitrogen atoms, helium atoms, hydrogen atoms, mercury atoms. Surely these are some examples that you've probably heard of. Well, what is a molecule? Well, a molecule is a tightly bound combination of atoms. The relationship between molecules and atoms reminds me of the relationship between words and letters. What is a word? A word is a combination of letters. Well, a molecule is just a combination of atoms. Let's think of some familiar examples of molecules. Perhaps the most familiar example is water. Water is a tightly bound combination of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Let's consider carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide molecules are a tightly bound combination of 1 carbon atom and 2 oxygen atoms. Let's consider some of the molecules in air. Turns out that air is mostly nitrogen and oxygen. A nitrogen molecule is a tightly bound combination of 2 nitrogen atoms. An oxygen molecule is a tightly bound combination of 2 oxygen atoms. Now that we know what atoms and molecules are, why don't we begin our adventure?